Remember that a map shows us a small drawing of where we live. On the maps we looked at before, we could see places in the town we live in. Places like our school, the grocery store, the firehouse, and lots of other places. Today we are going to look at another type of map. This is called a state map. We live in a state called Pennsylvania. Your town is in the state of Pennsylvania. There are also lots of other towns and cities in Pennsylvania. A map of Pennsylvania will show us other places in our state. A map of Pennsylvania will also show us where there are big areas of water. Look at this picture on your screen. This is a map of Pennsylvania. Do you see what a funny shape it is? Watch as the arrow traces the outside of this state. Nice and flat up at the top. And then look at the zigzaggy edges. There it goes, all along the outside. And then nice and flat on the bottom and the other side. This map shows us 3 of the cities in Pennsylvania. Harrisburg is our capital. If you look at the map, there's a little star in front of the name Harrisburg. That star tells us it's our capital city. Another city on this map is Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a big city that is not too far from us. And another city on our map is Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is a big city, but it's a much longer drive for us. There are many other cities and towns in Pennsylvania. These are just 3 of the largest cities. Let's see what else the map has on it. This map also shows us some rivers and a lake that is in Pennsylvania. Touch them on the screen as the arrow points them out to you. First we have the Delaware River. And the Delaware River is right along the edge of our state of Pennsylvania. Next, we have the Susquehanna River. Make sure you touch it on the screen as the arrow points it out. Next is the Ohio River. Follow the Ohio River with your finger all the way down to the city of Pittsburgh. Can you trace it? And remember, there's one lake that we can see on our map. There it is. It's up at the top, Lake Erie. Now, Lake Erie isn't the only lake in our state, of course. There are lots of smaller lakes and smaller streams as well. This map of Pennsylvania just shows us some of the bigger ones. Look at the map closely. What color is the water on the map? I'd like you to tell me in your assignment submission. Have you ever traveled to one of the cities that are on the map? Maybe you've gone to Harrisburg or to Philadelphia, or maybe even all the way out to Pittsburgh. Record your voice telling me about your trip.